UND CONNECT brings together faculty research and expertise, the needs of North Dakota communities, and student learning at UND. Teams comprised of faculty, community partners, and students work together to address a quality of life issue in North Dakota communities. Through UND CONNECT, our faculty have partnered with public schools, public libraries, park systems, local nonprofit organizations, and various state and government organizations.
Our UND CONNECT project, we're working with High Plains Fair Housing, and they've asked us to help them research and create educational materials to help tell the story of fair housing issues facing Native Americans in North Dakota and other rural environments. The history of fair housing is told as the story of urban redlining, and that leaves out some stories, even though those are important as well. The issues that are faced by Native Americans in housing, especially in places like North Dakota, are stories that haven't been told as well or as often. And High Plains Fair Housing wants to be at the forefront of bringing these issues to the national attention, and they've asked for our help in doing that. So we're making a difference in the state and the region by helping to educate people, to helping to spread awareness, and also providing a way for our students to get more involved with the history of our region, the current events in our region, and form those connections to North Dakota that they might not otherwise have.
Radon is a second leading cause of lung cancer. It's a radioactive gas, so we cannot see or smell or taste it, but it's a carcinogen. And North Dakota, unfortunately, has the highest indoor radon levels in the United States. From a previous grant support that was given to me and my research team from National Center for Healthy Housing, we were able to purchase 40 radon digital detectors and then made them available in Grand Forks Public Library. That will allow many families in Grand Forks community test their houses for radon for free, and then it saves their it removes the financial cost and then potentially save them from lung cancer. The UND CONNECT project is the extension of the previous efforts that we wanted to implement the same digital radon test kit detector landing library in Fargo Public Library. With this UND CONNECT and its specific focus on students' experiential learning opportunities, I was able to hire undergraduate students who can just work with me from the beginning to the end. I think it's such a cool experience for students where they get to use communication skill sets. They can see what it means to be a leader, to serve their communities that we serve with the talents and education that we have received.
UND CONNECT is funded through the North Dakota Economic Diversification and Research Fund that allows our faculty to bring their innovative research into North Dakota communities. Serving North Dakota and North Dakota communities is part of UND's mission. We know that our faculty and our students are having an impact with UND CONNECT in communities all throughout the state.